Hi guys. Today I'm here to quickly show you how to calculate standard deviation of a sample population. Let's jump right to it. The two formulas you see here are all meant to be used for the calculation of standard deviation. Here is the difference. The first formula from the top is used when you are given the whole population, while the second formula is used when working with the sample population. Let's take a look at the following example. We are given a sample from which we need to find the standard deviation. The first step is to find the sample mean. To find the mean, we take the sum of the sample population and we divide by the sample size. In the previous example we found the mean to be 50. In this stage, we are going to subtract the mean from every sample, then square the results as shown. After finding the square of each deviation, we find the sum. Now that we have the summation of x minus x bar, we divide the results by n minus 1, which is 5. We then find the square root, which gives us 13.31 as the final answer, which is the standard deviation. I hope you found this lesson to be useful. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more content.